Welcome back to Tiny Leaf. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of hibiscus flowers. These stunning plants are not only visually striking, but also come in a variety of types. So let's explore some of the most popular hibiscus varieties. First up, we have the Hibiscus rosa-sinensis, commonly known as the Chinese hibiscus. This variety is famous for its large, colorful blooms that can be red, pink, yellow, or white. It's often grown as an ornamental plant and thrives in warm climates. Next, let's talk about the Hibiscus syriacus, or Rose of Sharon. This hardy shrub produces beautiful, trumpet-shaped flowers and can tolerate a variety of soil types. It's perfect for borders and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Moving on, we have the Hibiscus mutabilis, known as the Confederate rose. This unique plant features flowers that change color throughout the day, starting as white and turning pink. It's a showstopper in any garden. Now let's talk about Hibiscus sabdarifa, or roselle. This variety is not just beautiful, it's also edible. The calices are used to make tea, jams, and even salads. Plus, it has a tangy flavor that many people love. Next is the Hibiscus coccineus, or scarlet hibiscus. With its stunning red flowers and deeply lobed leaves, this variety is a favorite for attracting hummingbirds and adds a tropical feel to gardens. And we can't forget the Hibiscus mosquitos, also known as hardy hibiscus. This perennial is known for its giant blooms, which can reach up to 12 inches across. It's perfect for adding drama to your garden. Then there's the Hibiscus tiliaceus, or sea hibiscus. This coastal plant is often found near beaches and produces beautiful yellow flowers that turn red with age. It's quite resilient and can handle salty air. Next, we have the Hibiscus diversifolius, known for its unique leaf shape and attractive flowers. It's a great addition to any garden for those looking for something a bit different. Let's not overlook the Hibiscus paniculatus. This variety is known for its clusters of flowers and is often used in traditional medicine. It's a beautiful plant that's also steeped in cultural significance. Finally, we have a couple of notable mentions: the Hibiscus acetosella, or African rose mallow, and cultivars like blue chiffon and Diana from the hardy hibiscus family. These varieties offer a variety of colors and forms to suit any garden. That wraps up our tour of the beautiful hibiscus varieties. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just appreciate nature's beauty, there's a hibiscus for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more floral adventures. What's your favorite hibiscus variety? Let us know in the comments below.